Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and updates from the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Let's discuss some important opportunities related to airdrops and tokenomics. Firstly, let's talk about airdrops. If you've been involved in decentralized finance DeFi projects like Injective's DEX, you may have participated in trading Python tokens. If so, you might be eligible for Python's airdrop. I'll share the link in the video description for you to check your eligibility. Similarly, if you've traded or provided liquidity in vaults, you might qualify for their airdrop as well. Make sure to verify your qualifications to claim these rewards. Now, let's discuss tier-based incentives. For those disappointed with the Author FI node allocation, there's good news. An internal opportunity has emerged, particularly for Tier 1 node holders. They have the chance to refer others, earning referral rewards across different platforms like Galaxy, Interact, and Quest N. By following social media and engaging in activities like tweeting, you can increase your chances of winning these referral rewards. Moving on to another intriguing opportunity, let's talk about NinjaBlade's tokenomics proposal. If you hold Atom tokens staked in the Atom protocol, you'll receive a token allocation. NinjaBlade has set aside 10% of their supply for Atom holders, driving significant demand for their tokens. Check the video description for more details on how to participate in this exciting opportunity. Thanks for watching. Bye.